In this video, we'll talk about Kajabi payment setup. To get started, log into your Kajabi admin dashboard. Near the bottom left, click on Settings. On the next screen, under Payment Settings, click Payment Setup. This will take you to Default Payments. Kajabi's default payment processor allows your customers to pay using Google Pay and Apple Pay. These payment options are especially useful for mobile users, as entering card details manually on a mobile device can be inconvenient. By enabling Google Pay and Apple Pay, you make it much easier for users to complete their purchases, which can significantly increase your conversion rates. To use the default payment processor, simply click Get Started and follow the setup instructions. Kajabi will guide you through the process and complete your payment setup. If you prefer to use other payment solutions such as PayPal or Stripe, go back to Settings, then under Site Settings, click Third-Party Integrations. Scroll down and you'll find options to connect PayPal and Stripe. Availability may vary by country. For example, in some regions only PayPal may be available, while others may also support Stripe. If you require additional or more advanced payment processors, it's recommended to seek help from an expert who can properly integrate them with your website. That concludes the overview of Kajabi payment setup.